Namaste everyone. I'm Okiki Moshibista and welcome to No Filter Friday with OK episode 3. So first of all, happy new year to you all. I hope you all are doing great. And yeah, आजको भिडियो को एन्डमा चाहिँ there is a special surprise, special shout out to some of my subscriber जसले चाहिँ यति राम्रो कमेन्ट्सहरु गरिदिनुहुन्छ, यति माया गरिदिनुहुन्छ, यति सपोर्ट गरिदिनुहुन्छ. So I just want to give a shout out to them at the end of the video, so be with me until the end. So today I'm just gonna talk about why I keep posting even though my views are low. I think this might be really helpful to someone who is planning to start a content creation in this year, or if someone who is a small creator like me and who is just growing and exploring on YouTube. I think this might be really helpful for those. So let me be honest with you guys. सुरुमा मैले पनि एकदमै धेरै चेक गरिरहेको थिएँ कि कति भ्युज आयो, कति सब्सक्राइबर बढ्यो, या कति कमेन्ट्स आइरहेको छ, कति लाइक्स आइरहेको छ. एन्ड समटाइम्स इट्स रियली डिसअपोइन्ट्स किनकि यु पुट अ लट अफ एफर्ट टु मेक द्याट सिंगल भिडियो. लाइक इभन युट्युब सर्ट्समा पनि डान्सको भिडियोज जस्ट 15 सेकेन्ड या 20 सेकेन्ड मात्र भए पनि इट टेक्स अ लट अफ एफर्ट टु मेक द्याट वान सिंगल भिडियो. किनकि especially dance video बनाउने बेलामा you just first you need to decide the song, then the outfit, then you need to like do the whole entire choreography and then rehearse it and then shoot it and then edit it. So there is a long process to make even a simple reel. So it's sometimes so disappointing to see कि तिमीले यति धेरै मेहनत गरिरहेको हुन्छ and you post it but भ्युजहरु त्यति भनेको जस्तो आउँदैन, या there is no more likes, comments त्यति सोचेको जस्तो आउँदैन. It's disappointing, right? But I keep posting, and one thing that really motivates me is that it's not just always about numbers. Like I really like posting videos, I really like dancing, I really like making videos, so that's why I post it. So it's not just about numbers. Like even if for me, like even if one person watches अहिले one view मात्र आयो भने पनि I'll be really happy किनकि like I feel like I have made the real audience there. So जति पनि हुनुहुन्छ, जतिले पनि मेरो भिडियोजहरु हेर्नुहुन्छ, I feel like real audience चाहिँ मैले कमाएको छु त्योबाट. So even if one person watches, I'll still post the video on YouTube. And if you are a new content creator, यस्तो हुन्छ like views कम आउँछ, but don't be disappointed on that. Don't keep checking analytics and numbers किनकि there is more than that. जति पनि big creators हरु हुनुहुन्छ, जति पनि big YouTubers हरु हुनुहुन्छ, they just started from the beginning, right? They also started like us only, like small views गरेर बिस्तारै views हरु बढ्दै जान्छ. So you need to trust the process and you just need to post. And the main thing that I've realized in 2025 is that consistency really matters in no matter whatever you do. Be consistent, and I'm trying to be. I'm not saying that I am really consistent, but I'm just trying to be consistent in 2026 at least. And yeah, you just keep posting, keep doing your things, and people will love it automatically. So whoever is like watching my videos and or really supporting me, commenting on my videos, liking and sharing, I really appreciate that. Sometimes it feels like you stop posting because it's not worth it. But 2025 ma what I have learned is that obviously views the matter garcha. Obviously you want your channel to grow, you want your channel to get monetized, obviously. But having said that, views are just views are not just everything, right? Because the real motive I started my YouTube channel is that I wanted to share my journey, my dance videos to you all, right? So I just wanted a platform to share my talent with everyone, with the world. So views are important, but that is not the only thing you want. But what really matters is you keep doing your own thing, you keep improving on yourself, on your videos, and आफूलाई मन लागेको कुरा गर्नु is really satisfying. Like for me especially, doing YouTube, making a dance video, practicing dance, posting it and replying to your beautiful comments, and you know Friday आएर यसरी बोल्न really connect गर्नको लागि. I really love this part a lot. I really enjoy it. So beside views and everything, I am enjoying this process, and that really matters the most, I guess. So yeah, I'll just keep posting even though एउटा मात्र एकजनाले मात्र मेरो भिडियो हेरे पनि, one view मात्र आए पनि, I'll just keep posting, guys, because this is what I love to do the most, and that I have realized in 2025. And so all the small creators, don't be afraid of low views. Like, you will grow slowly and gradually. Like सुरुमा मेरो भिडियोजमा just 15 views, 12 views त्यति मात्र आउँथ्यो, but now it's growing. Like one of my videos I have 78k views, so it will grow time by time. The good part is by every video you keep learning, you keep improving. थाहा हुन्छ आफूलाई कि केमा इम्प्रुभ गर्नुपर्ने हो, के कुरा राम्रो भइरहेछ छैन, सबै थाहा हुँदै जान्छ आफूलाई. हाउ टु एडिट, हाउ टु डु अल दोज स्टफ. सो with every video you make, you are just going to improve yourself. So don't be afraid, and if you are planning to do a content creation, I would suggest go for it, because it's really fun and it's really enjoyable. I really love content creating a lot. So having said that, now it's time to give the shout out to some of my subscribers जसले मलाई यति धेरै सपोर्ट गर्नुहुन्छ, यति धेरै माया गर्नुहुन्छ. Like हरेक भिडियोमा you take out time to comment. That really motivates me a lot. So guys, thank you so much for your love and support. I'm really grateful to you all, and in 2026 let's grow together. And if you have any comment, you can comment on this video and I will give shout out to you on my next video. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching No Filter Friday with OK. See you on next Friday. Till then, stay tuned, stay real.